This is Asus UX425 laptop, and this laptop problem is hinges are broken, and you can see this is the right corner and hinge broken. And today I will fix this problem. It can be sustained. You can see this, and this area bended, and this is the left side and this is the right side, and you can feel this area. Maybe this area is bended due to the pressure. Let's check this, and this laptop is okay or not. Press the power button. Yep, this laptop is turned on, and here is no problem. This laptop fully okay, but only for this hinge is broken and this body part is very. Let's open this. Before I do anything, disconnect the battery connector. Okay, and here is so many dust. You can see this area. At first I need to separate this display from this main part. Open it. All three knobs are broken. If you can remember this, which one is which side, and that would help you to set it. Let's check this. Now this is okay. It's very straight. Initially I will set up this using super glue, and after that I will use epoxy. This is perfectly set up. This one is perfectly set up. It's become a more stronger, and you can see this. It's very hard. Maybe this is not possible to broken, and again. Okay, our job is done. Let's check this how it works. And you can see this area, this side was broken. This is perfectly working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.